Literally every beauty guru's thumbnail right now. What's up? Welcome back. It's Christina with a K. Hey! Listen, I know you've seen about a million reviews and everyone talking about the Jaclyn Hill palette and tutorials and everything, but you haven't seen mine, so this is what we're doing today. I wanted to show you guys the PR that it came in. Very pretty. Kind of hard to show the whole thing, but damn, she looks good. She looks good, sis. Now I know everyone is using all like the colorful shades in this palette and doing tutorials with it, which of course, I mean, it is a very colorful palette compared to the first one. And I was even thinking of doing like more neutrals today, but then I don't want anyone coming at me saying you didn't use all the colors. So whatever, I'm just gonna do something very colorful. And then if you want another tutorial with this, a more neutrals kind of look, I can definitely do that because I am loving the neutrals in here as well. It looks kind of intimidating if you're not into like colors, but honestly, it's such a beautiful palette. I'm not gonna lie, when she revealed it, I was kind of intimidated because the colors looked so bright, but now seeing it in person, it's very like normal. It's not that crazy and there's tons of neutrals to work with, so I think it's a beautiful palette. I will include some swatches for you guys right here. There's tons of neutrals, tons of neons. I think it's a really good mix between neutrals, warms, cools, neons. You have the brights, you even have a black, a matte white. I think it's really nicely put together. I'm very happy that they finally put the shade names onto the palette. That way you can see every single shade and know what you're using instead of the plastic thing that they had before. One thing I will say is that it sucks it doesn't have a mirror. I really wish that they would include a mirror in their big palettes because honestly that would be so much easier and just so much better. I'm starting with the shade Oh Hello. I think that's how she said to say it anytime you use it. So
next shade in row 5 is Oh Hello, and I demand that you say it just like that when you use it because that's how we greet our dogs.
Oh hello. That's how I'm starting. Actually, I'm gonna lay some translucent powder under my eye real quick, just in case there's any fallout. I don't want to ruin my base because these colors are bright. Now we're ready to go. All right, here we go. I want to use as much colors as I can without looking crazy. So hopefully we'll be able to, that's a really nice pigment and I haven't even dipped back in yet. And this is a really pretty shade actually. Kind of reminds me of grapes or like wine. It's a really pretty burgundy shade. Now I think I want to put this Therapy Sesh shade into my crease. I love the name and the color is so pretty. It's like a lavender purple. I love that she named it Therapy Sesh because makeup is a therapy session for most of us. I know it is for me. Okay, this color is blending really nicely. Okay, I do need a clean brush to kind of blend this out before it gets any higher. Yeah, so this is just a clean brush and I'm gonna blend this out. This is definitely the most color I've used since the year started, so yay me. I'm gonna go ahead and deepen my outer corner with the shade Crazy. It's a more like dark wine kind of shade, and I think these shades complement each other very well. I'm glad that I'm not having crazy fallout, so that's good. Wow, that looks so good. I'm gonna cut the crease using P. Louise base and then Mitchell's brush. I'm doing like half a cut because I don't want to cover up the beautiful purple we have on the edge right here. But this base is bomb. It's so pigmented. It's definitely better than using concealer. So I'm gonna do Therapy Sesh and Tipsy Girl on the lid. This Therapy Sesh color might be my favorite shade. Like, look how pretty. That's a really gorgeous, like straight up purple, like a pink purple. And it has like more lavender in it. It's so pretty. I'm actually gonna put some of the Tipsy Girl right above here just because it's starting to merge. Too much purple. So I'm just adding some pink here. Okay. Yeah, that's definitely better. And then to kind of blend this like weird space there between the pink and the burgundy, I'm gonna do Not My Journey. It's like a straight up purple. Now that I'm thinking about it, I'm not sure why I chose the hardest shades to do a tutorial with. Like purples are so hard to blend together, and I decided to do a whole ass purple eye. So that's fun for me. Okay, honestly, I think this is as good as it's gonna get. I'm gonna take the shade I'm In It to highlight the inner corner. It's like a white with purple pearlescence in it, so I think it'll match perfectly in the inner corner. Yep. That's cute. Very cute. Now I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the lower lash line, starting with Therapy Sesh. And then right here I'm using the shade Not My Journey and Crazy. Just kind of mix together to deepen. Okay, so that's the eyeshadow done. I'm not gonna add anything else. I think it looks really pretty just like this. I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye off camera, pop on some lashes, nothing crazy, and then I'll be back. This is the finished look. I actually really love how it came out, although I wasn't so sure in the beginning. I really love these purple tones. What do you guys think? It's definitely a big purple explosion, and I never do purples, but I'm glad that this palette kind of makes you step outside your comfort zone. Purple shades in general are a little bit difficult to blend, but my final thoughts on this is I honestly really like the palette. I have nothing really to say besides the mirror. I wish there was a mirror, but it's a beautiful palette. Okay, I wanted to show you guys in comparison or like side by side with the original first palette, but honestly I'm a little embarrassed because look how dirty and like nasty mine looks. Is so, I mean, obviously you can tell I've been using it a lot, but look, it's like beat up. She's been through a lot. Anyways, here they are side by side. There's definitely similarities in the two, especially the neutral shades. I feel like a lot of the warm neutral shades are very similar, but this one is like new and improved, the new Hot Sister. I do love that she put in a real true gold color in here. Not a lot of palettes have like a true yellow gold, so I really like that. It'll be perfect for summertime coming up. I'm definitely gonna be dipping into this section here. For the price, I honestly think the quality is there, and I think that this formula is a lot better than the first one. Dare I say, it's a lot better, yeah. I think that Jaclyn needed a win, and I think she got it, so great job. It's an awesome palette. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Honestly, I look like grapefruit juice threw up on my face, but I'm not mad at it, you know? Thank you guys for these fucking lashes, man. Thumbnail photo. Just kidding. And pose, and pose, and walk the runway pose. Literally every beauty guru's thumbnail right now. And then there's me. Arrivederci.